delicious and easy recipe for any day. Mix a couple of whites, salt and pepper, and curry. You can mix it with a frother or you can mix it with a couple of forks. Then you turn all around your cauliflower and get all of it covered with some of this mixture. You're going to be able to see that in the center of the cauliflower, I took away part of it so that it all cooks at the same time. We made a mix. It's almond flour or almond meal and some curry. Now we have this beautiful taste everywhere, and we're going to put it on top of our cauliflower. Check it out. If some you can't, you just sprinkle it with your hand. Bake it at a 350-degree oven for about 35 to 40 minutes, depending on the size of your cauliflower. Just put a knife in and out, and if it slides, it's ready. Now, let's go for the sauce. Curry sauce. Simple, easy, and delicious. Greek yogurt, curry powder, salt and pepper, a little bit of honey, and then some plain yogurt that's more liquid. If you don't have a liquid plain yogurt, you could add soy milk or oat milk or any other milk. If you're in a very cold climate, it's going to stay like a spread like this. If you're in a very hot climate, it's going to flow like the sauce you're going to see in a minute. So if you're in a very cold climate, simply add a little extra plain yogurt or milk, and that's it. Check out this amazing sauce. You are going to love it. Add it to the hot food right out of the oven, and it's going to look beautiful. Check it out. A mixture of creamy and crispy you are going to love. Easy, quick, healthy, and delicious. Chef Pachi.